Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get your WordPress website on Google Search. First, install a robust SEO plugin such as Yoast SEO or Rank Math. These tools provide crucial features for optimizing your site's content and technical aspects. Next, set up a Google Search Console account, which is a free service from Google. Verify your website ownership through one of several methods, like adding a meta tag or uploading an HTML file. Finally, generate an XML sitemap using your SEO plugin and submit it to Search Console. This helps Google discover all your important pages. Now, let's focus on optimizing your content. Begin by performing thorough keyword research to find terms your target audience uses. Integrate these keywords naturally into your articles and pages. Ensure your page titles and meta descriptions are compelling and include your primary keywords, as these are often the first things users see in search results. Most importantly, create high-quality, original content that genuinely helps or informs your visitors. Google prioritizes content that offers real value, leading to better rankings and more organic traffic over time. Technical SEO and user experience are vital for search visibility. Make sure your WordPress site is fully responsive and mobile-friendly, as over 50% of searches now occur on mobile devices. Implement an SSL certificate to enable HTTPS, securing your site and boosting user confidence. Organize your content logically with clear headings, like H1 and H2 tags, to improve readability. Also, create a strong internal linking structure, connecting related posts and pages, which helps both users and search engines navigate your site effectively. Finally, promote your content and monitor your progress. Share your new posts and pages across relevant social media channels to drive initial traffic and engagement. Actively seek opportunities to build high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites, as these signals significantly boost your site's credibility with search engines. Continuously use Google Search Console to track your site's performance, identify any indexing issues, and understand which queries are bringing users to your site. This ongoing effort is key to sustained search success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.